We're going to have a look in the Brighton Rock Shop. This is the traditional chocolates in from the Brighton. You can see the Brighton Rock, and in here at the bottom of the rock and the top of the rock it is written Brighton, and these are the fudges. It's like toffee, not toffees, like soft Cadbury like fudges, and they have different ones like the pet, the dog, the cat, the mom, the dad, and the salted caramel, fondant shortbread, clotted cream, and this one as well, the Brighton famous rock. And these are the soft rocks, and these are the candy floss. Here got a lot of stock, and here you can see the different thing, the wobbly titties, wobbly willy, and this one is Edinburgh rock. I love this rock. And these are different types of traditional mint, fruit, banana, candy floss, and cider toffee, honeycomb toffee, and these are the sweet mellow man, mellow kebab, and these are the sweet packets, lollipop packets. These are the fudges. And here are the prime rocks in different flavors. Sugar-free mint, and the fudges, and the key rings, you'll find the key rings from Brighton to London. These are the magnets. The magnets are from Brighton to London as well. And the fudges, and the honeys, chutneys. These are the dummies, malacons, London souvenirs. Here, the eraser is £1.50. Back in India, this is 5 pence. That is so good. Eraser. And they got embroidered badges, Brighton badges, and the teaspoons, which is a Brighton sign, symbol, pens, the mugs, leather bags, and the most Important thing of this rock shop is there's named rocks. This is so famous here in Brighton. There's named rocks, and this rock have football team named rocks as well. There's a hand sketch. Football team named rocks are here. Arsenal, Birmingham City, Manchester United, Manchester City, Luton, Newcastle, Norway. The other shop, they got more name rocks. The personalized shopping list. They got Brighton t-shirts, and these are the lollies. They have different types like smiley, I love you, poop, unicorn, and they got Brighton t-shirt. Hat as well. And these are the shells, the towels, beach mats. Next to this shop, the Brighton Bridge is there. That's why they keep the mat as well, the beach mats. And here are the walking sticks. It is similar to I don't know. I don't remember. There's name trucks. Jackson, Jensen, Aries. And there's sweet dream catcher. Sweet dreams Molly. With the names. And this one is a love heart magnets. Look at the one. Mums are like buttons. They hold everything together. Wow. Nice one. We got the shells. Got glasses. We have fridge, Fanta, and different drinks. And these are the fake money. People buy it crazy. And here they sell postcards as well. So, wow. The weather.
Eu vou comprar o meu, Leonardo, então sou obrigada a usar.
Because of the good weather is so amazing today. Wow. Super duper. World famous Brighton King's Mansion.